So, good day everyone. I am Princess Angel M. Orot, and I will be discussing one of the commonly used accelerated depreciation methods, which is the sum of years digits method, or also known as the SYD method. So, in this video, I will explain what this method is and provide one sample problem with a complete solution. So, what is SYD, or the sum of years digits method? So, it is an accelerated depreciation method used in accounting. This means that a larger portion of the asset's cost is depreciated during the early years, and the depreciation gradually decreases over time. Spreads depreciation evenly. The SYD method recognizes that many assets, like machines, vehicles, or equipments, tend to lose their value faster when they are newer and more heavily used. Two important things. First, sum of years digits. So this is the sum of all years in the asset's useful life. For example, if the asset will be used for 5 years, so we have 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 15. So the SYD is 15. So this number becomes the denominator in the depreciation fraction. So second, we have depreciation fraction. So each year has its own fraction based on the remaining life. For example, year 1 is 5 over 15. Year 2 is 4 over 15. Year 3 is 3 over 15. Year 4 is 2 over 15. And lastly, year 5 is 1 over 15. So the numerator decreases each year, which is why depreciation gets smaller over time. Third, we have depreciable cost. So this is cost or salvage value. So the depreciation cost is multiplied by the SYD fraction to get the depreciation for that year. Now let's solve an example. So an asset is purchased for 10,000. Its estimated life is 6 years, after which it will be sold for 1,000. Find the depreciation at third year and find the book value at the end of third year. So first, or una natong buhaton is i-identify sa nato ang mga given, which is ang iyang FC, SV, and N. Dayon, ato ding ibutang kung unsa ang gipangita sa question. So, ang atong FC is 10,000, SV is 1,000, and N is 6. So, find BV3 and D3. So, atong unang nga buhaton is ato sang i-multiply to padulong sa 1 ang N, which is ang 6 years. So, N is 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 21. Next is ato nang pangitaon ang iyahang DC. Since naamantanan or provided naman tanan ang mga ipang-plug in, ato na lang i-plug in ang mga FC o SV nga given, which is FC is equals to 10,000, SV is 1,000. But ang formula is DC is equals to FC minus SV. So, 10,000 minus 1,000 is equals to 9,000. So, atong sunod nga buhaton ani is proceed to the table. So, for the first column is the year. Second column is the depreciation cost or atong DC nga gikuha kaganina. Third column is the remaining life. Fourth column is the depreciation fraction. Fifth column is the depreciation experience or the D. And the last column is the book value or BV. So, giganin atong way lang sa pag-solve is ato lang siyang i-table. But, dagan jud kay siya og way sa pag-solve. So, sa year is natay 1, 2, and 3. And sa depreciation cost DC or DC is natay 9,000 since ato na siyang gi-solve kaganina. So, ato na siyang i-plug in dira 9,000, 9,000, 9,000 for 3 year. So, for the remaining life, basin mag-wonder mo nga nung 3 lang. So, since ang ipangita naman sa question is BV3 and D3, so tulo ra gyud. So, 3 year 3 lang. So, for the remaining life na atay 6, 5, and 4. So, nakuha na to na siya sa atong N. And for the depreciation fraction is ato lang siyang i-gamitan ang remaining life niya, which is ang katong sa N o ang total sa N. So, 6/21 for year 1, 5/21 for year 2, and 4/21 for year 3. Next is the depreciation experience or the big letter D. So, atong buhaton lang ani is ato lang siyang i-multiply ang depreciation cost nga atong gi-solve kaganina, which is ang DC, and ang i-multiply din nato siya sa depreciation fraction, which is ang 6/21 antod sa mga human. So, for year 1, we have 9,000 times 6/21 and the total of 2,571.429 pesos. And for the year 2, we have 9,000 times 5/21 and the total of 2,142.857. And lastly, for the year 3, we have 9,000 times 4/21 and the total of 1,714.286, which is mao na atong gipangita nga D3. And for the book value, atong buhaton lang ani is atong i-minus ang 10,000 sa total nga 2,571.429 para makuha na to ang book value for year 1. And then for the year 2, atong buhaton ani is i-minus na to ang answer sa year 1 nga 7,428.571. I-minus na to siya sa 2,142.857. Og mo-total siya 5,285.514. And for the year 3, nga atong ipangita nga BV3 is atong i-minus ang 5,285.714 sa 1,714.286 og mo-total siya 3,571.428 or mao na atong ipangita nga BV3. So, therefore, D3 is equals to 1,714.286 and the BV3 or our BV3 is equals to 3,571.428.